In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell coins on the Kucoin spot marketplace. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or looking to expand your options, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate through the Kucoin platform effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the Kucoin website. It's crucial to ensure you're on the official site to avoid phishing attempts, so double-check the URL. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Click on the Login button, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up first. But remember to use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Kucoin homepage. From here, look for the Trade button, which is typically clearly visible and signifies the beginning of the fun part. Trading. Clicking on Trade will present you with several options. What you want is spot trading. This option deals with the direct exchange of cryptocurrencies, different from futures or margin trading, which involve more complexity. In the spot trading section, the next step is choosing your trading pair. A trading pair represents the two currencies you want to trade between, like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Selecting the right pair is essential because it dictates the market you'll be operating in. Take a moment to review the available options and select the pair that fits your trading goals. Now that you've got your trading pair set, you'll see the trading interface. This is where it all happens. You'll notice charts displaying the current market trends, order books, and transaction history. These tools provide valuable insights into market movements, helping you make informed decisions. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with these tools because effective trading is often about timing. When ready to trade, find the buy and sell options. You'll need to consider several factors, such as the current price and the amount you wish to trade. For buying, specify how much crypto you want to purchase and at what price. If you want to sell, enter how much of your cryptocurrency you're offering and your desired price. Review your order thoroughly before placing it to avoid common mistakes. Double-check the details to see if they align with your objectives. Once satisfied, confirm and submit your order. Your transaction will be added to the order book, where it'll wait to be matched with a corresponding order. If the market conditions align with your offer, the trade will execute and you've successfully participated in the digital currency exchange market. And there you have it. A straightforward journey through purchasing or selling coins in the Kucoin spot market. With practice, you can refine your strategy and potentially navigate this dynamic world with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy trading!